So here's how you can outline an object in Adobe Photoshop on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss the tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, make sure you have the Photoshop app ready and updated to the latest version. But then once you have the layers in here in the right side, make sure you select the layer that you want to apply to. Ideally, it would make sense if these object would be already deleted with the background will be deleted for that, so you only have one subject in here. But the whole point is that you essentially just select the layer, then click on the options like the three dots for the layer actions, and then you want to add a layer effect. Currently, there are two effects available. So we have the drop shadow and a stroke. And the stroke is basically the outline of the subject or of the layer, right? So you can add the thickness, position it either inside or outside, and also use the blend mode, color, and opacity. So these are the most common ways how you can customize the stroke or outline of that image. As I said, it would make the most sense if you already had the background selected or removed from one image. So I could, for example, just duplicate the layer and select the one at the top to then go to the magic selection tool, right? So I would be able to just select the all of the object, right, which I want to outline. So I can even use the quick selection tool. So as you can see, plenty of ways to select the image. But once I would have that, I would click on mask like this, and then I would apply that effect to the image, right? So it would make sense to just make sure that I only do it for that layer so it actually is visible right now, because when I added the stroke, you can see that it does create an outline, but only on the object which I selected before. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think below. Stay tuned for more and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.